Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It may not be obvious how to turn off your Apple Watch Series 10. Follow the steps to learn how to shut down your watch. Hold down the side button until this emergency screen appears. Then tap the power off icon in the top right corner. Slide the power off icon all the way to the right to turn off your watch. To turn the watch back on, hold down on the side button until the Apple logo appears. Your watch will turn on. It may take a few moments. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.